Hello WordPress bloggers, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to password protect your WordPress post. Here's my example right here. This is a post and it is not password protected. If you go to your post, either when you're making a post or editing a post, if you go to the right side over here where it says visibility, select edit. There is an option right here to password protect this post. And now you need to enter in a password and then click OK and let's update. Okay, the post is updated. Let's visit the post page and make sure you're not visiting the post page when you're logged in as the admin. Otherwise it won't show up this password protected option right here. So this is what your visitors will see, and then they must enter in a password and then enter. And there it is, it's unlocked for this visitor. And that's how easy it is to set a password to protect your WordPress post. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy blogging.